Hello everyone and welcome to Unicorns in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make Gajar Halwa or Indian carrot halwa. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. Melt some ghee or unsalted butter in the pan. Once the ghee is melted, add some shredded carrot to the pan and start cooking until it's fully soft and the extra water is completely evaporated. This would take about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, add some whole milk and cook until you have a thick and creamy mixture with no extra liquid. Instead of whole milk, you can also use evaporated milk or use milk and half. Add in sugar and cardamom and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until it all comes together and has a thicker consistency than a pudding. At this stage, you have no extra liquid in the pan. Transfer the cooked halwa onto a plate and top with some cashews. You can also add chopped cashews while you're cooking the halwa if you like some extra crunch. Enjoy! You can find the complete printable recipe by clicking on the link in the description. And if you like our recipes, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time!